Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create a gig on Fiverr. First things first, sign into your Fiverr account using your username and password. And if you don't have an account yet, you will need to create a one before proceeding. Once you are signed in, navigate to My Business section of your Fiverr dashboard. Click on the gigs option. This will take you to the page where you can manage your existing gigs or you can create your new one. On this page, look for Create a New Gig button. Click on it to start creating your new gig from scratch. First thing you have to do here is to add the gig title. Make sure that your title is short, clear, and to the point. Then we have category. Fiverr recommend them on the base of your title, so select the appropriate category and subcategory for your gig from the drop-down menu. You won't be able to change your gig's category after it's published, so choose carefully. For example, if your service is game design, select graphic and design as category and game design as subcategory. After that, choose a service type to make sure that you appear in the search results of the category you selected. And in gig metadata, select the relevant criteria for each topic. Then we have search tags. You can add up to 5 words or phrases that best describe your gig. And once you're done, click on Save and Continue. The second step is of scope and pricing. Here you have to mention the name of your package, then mention the delivery time, revisions, select a price for your services, and then click on Save and Continue. Moving to the third step, which is about description and FAQ. Briefly describe your gig, but make sure to be as detailed as possible so buyers are able to determine if your gig meet their needs. And in FAQ section, add answers to the most commonly asked questions. Step 4 is of requirements. Here you have to tell buyers what you need in order to start on their order. In the fifth step, you can upload your sample work, but remember you can only upload files up to 5 GB. You can upload images, videos, audio, PDF. For that, just click on Browse and then drag the file and click on Upload. Now the last step is to publish the gig. Now to promote and publish your gig, click on Publish Gig and then click on Done. Remember, if your gig contains a video, the status will be labeled as pending. Otherwise, it's labeled as active. By following these steps, you will be able to create a gig on Fiverr. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.